right, let's see what the price of Bitcoin has done recently. Holy shit. So Bitcoin's mooning apparently. Obviously, my recent predictions were completely wrong. I did not expect Bitcoin to break this 7,800 mark, and obviously it did. We topped out now at 8,500, and now we're sitting at 8,175. So let's go ahead and take a look at the big picture here, guys. Get our resistance area mapped out. So I wanna take a look at the support line that everybody had their eye on for most of this year, which was this one here, and we did break below that here. What's interesting is that we did get above it. We're now back in the triangle, retesting that major resistance line. We did pop above it for a bit, and now we're sitting right just under the resistance line. So if we break above this area, guys, if the price ends up popping above this area and holding on this area and actually building out, obviously that's bullish, and then we've formed a major cup and handle pattern. At least it seems to be that way. And then maybe Bitcoin will maybe we did see the bottom. But to be honest, guys, when I look at this chart, if we did bottom out here, to me that's pretty odd because markets don't normally bottom out in this way. Normally markets take much longer to bottom out. So, if Bitcoin ends up just continuing on from here, basically we never even entered the bear market, and Bitcoin never experienced a bear market, and we're just continuing the bull run. Of course, if you guys are familiar with this channel, then you know that, of course, I'm expecting us to actually, break below this area, and continue on with the bear market. But I got a lot of comments recently, people talking about, oh, Kevin, you said Data Dash was wrong, but he was right, blah, blah, blah. Not necessarily, guys. In order for Data Dash to be right, we actually have to break out of the triangle, as he himself said. We need to break out of this triangle and break above this overhead resistance, which we have not actually done yet. We're still sitting in this pennant here. And obviously at this point it is possible that we break out bullishly and Bitcoin continues on this bull market, this bull run that it's been on since $250. But I still think that the price is going to be playing in here, and eventually we're going to break to the downside. Obviously Bitcoin was more bullish than I expected recently. But guys, I'm sure I'm going to get a ton of criticism here for making the wrong prediction and all, but that's because but think about it though. That's because I'm one of the few that is continuously bearish on, or has been continuously bearish on Bitcoin this year. And a lot of crypto YouTubers, guys, during these points here when Bitcoin was riding, it was looking like Bitcoin was doing really well. A lot of YouTubers, they were talking about Bitcoin breaking 20K, going to 50K. And then the price would get knocked back down, and they didn't get criticism for it. They did not get criticism for telling you guys that Bitcoin was going to moon and this is it, buy now. And I've never told any of you guys to sell your Bitcoin. I've never said that. The only thing that I do on this channel is tell you guys what I think the market's going to do. I've never claimed to be giving financial advice. I've never told you guys to sell. I never do that, and I would never do that. I'm never going to tell you guys what to do. Do whatever you think is right. I'm just going to give you my opinion, my perspective. And that's what this channel is about, guys. It's just giving you my opinion, my perspective. If I had to take a guess right now, I would say that we're going to top out here at some point, somewhere in here, and move on down again, guys. I mean, look at the volume, guys. Take a look at the volume down here. It's really not all that groundbreaking. Yes, there's amazingly good bullish price action happening right now. That's fantastic. A lot of people are super stoked, super excited about this recent price action. But to me, guys, I'm not going to FOMO into this. I'm not. I'm not. This is not while the price did go above what I expected it to go above, I'm still not going to FOMO. This is not anything special to me. The volume is not really that great. I think this is just another, it's just going to be another we're just going to see, I think we're going to see another sell-off now. The price is going to move back to 6K, retest 6K again, probably go below 6K. And I still believe that eventually we are going to be going near $2,500. And I still believe that at some point we are going to be retesting $2,500. And that is still my prediction, guys. The timing on that, I don't know. But I'm still sticking by my predictions. You know, I took a few days off here on my channel just because, you know, I just wanted to let you guys all get excited about this. I wanted to let the bulls, you know, have their time. But I'm not really all that confident in Bitcoin still, guys. But yeah, that's it for me today. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I will see you guys soon.